To receive direct messages from anyone or not to receive direct messages from anyone? Well, that seems to be the question for Twitter users everywhere.
You'll now be able to direct message people who are not following you. And if you change your settings, people who do not follow you will be able to direct message you back.
This is something where essentially it is allowing Twitter users to opt in, to decide to allow people who follow them to direct message them. So right now, you basically have to mutually follow somebody.
Soon, you won't have to be on Team Follow Back in order to send DMs through Twitter. The opt-in messaging feature is slowly being rolled out to all users and could mark a dramatic shift in the way people communicate on the service. According to CNET, Twitter's current implementation was designed to reduce spam and help users receive only messages from people they want to hear from on a given topic. The new feature would make the service a bit more open for communication. But allowing open messaging could mean open season to your Twitter inbox. DMs are, for the most part, pretty rarely used. More often, they act as a red flag when an account has been compromised. Certain users, like journalists, could benefit from the feature, but for the larger public, it opens the floodgates for potential spam. Still, Fast Company writes this change isn't for Twitter's regular Joes. Instead, this helps out those users with thousands of followers who don't necessarily want to follow every user who follows them in order to communicate privately. Twitter is positioning DMs to be an alternative email. Twitter has been tinkering with direct messaging for some time now. Earlier this year, it introduced iOS, Mac, and Android updates that sync the status of direct messages across devices. It's also been experimenting with breaking news through direct messages and alerting followers about popular users and their tweets. Several sources suspect Twitter is trying to make the service friendlier for advertisers and brand accounts as the company approaches its IPO. But with an optional feature, the amount of change Twitter will likely see is debatable. Will it reduce the amount of person-to-person chatter visible in people's public feeds? Will it make the shady side of social media even shadier? Will it make Twitter spam even more unbearable than it already was? We'll just have to see. For Newsy, I'm Lauren Goris.